This red. Oh man. Was it still recording? I gotta take this glove off before I touch the camera. Okay. Hey, 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 what it is, what it do, glamsta? Skr, skr. Okay, so I had to resort to the to the bleach. So I use this right here, and then up here I use the cream of nature. It was on top of my already when I attempted and I'll link that video when I attempted to dye it the first time with the L'Oreal High Color. So on top of that, with the bleach, it gave me that color. And then over here, I just use like the straight bleach. So what I'm gonna do now, oh, and then, oh yeah, and look, my brows. You see the brows? You see the brows? Yes. So I do, like, I want them a little more redder. So what I'm going to do is add some more of the L'Oreal High Color on my eyebrows. And ooh, lipstick on my teeth. But I'm gonna finish dyeing my hair with the bleach. Oh. And I'm gonna wait, like the directions say. And you know, for me to dye it red, I'm gonna wait 2 weeks. But I kind of like this color, you know, kind of like the blondish. So I'm gonna keep that for a while, you know. But anyway, yes, I'm getting ready to do that, and I will come back. I ain't even put in like no developer yet, and the bleach is just, I can just smell it. Oh my goodness. And I'm stirring this away from my face. And oh snap, they said the consistency is supposed to be thick and creamy. I might have poured too much developer up in there. But we're gonna do this anyway, okay? So yeah. Never mind. It's thick enough. See that? Like whipped cream. See that? It's good. Yeah. Well, I'm always looking in the camera wrong. Well, if I'm looking the right way. Well, here we go. Tender-headed, y'all. Is y'all tender-headed like me? Because I am. Okay, so just making sure everything is fully saturated. I gotta get ready to rinse out my brows, and I will come back with the results. So yeah, it is definitely turning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You see? You see? Okay. Okay, so. I gotta take this glove off before I touch the camera. Okay. Alright. So I just went through and combed everything through once again. Make sure everything is saturated throughout my hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take off these brows. I'm gonna try to find a hair cap and put over this. I'm not gonna leave this in no longer than an hour. Oh, why'd I just, but yeah. So I'm gonna take this out in about 29 more minutes, because it's been there for about maybe 5 now. But yeah, I'm not gonna leave this in for no more than an hour. So yeah, I'll be back again. Sure did. All right. So, just got through rinsing it out. Now, the part that I already bleached, it just made like that part even more blonde. Look, why am I here blonde? So if I were to like get some more bleach and do it again, it'll be blonde. Like right now, it looks like a burnt orange or a deep light auburn. But I like it. Let me give y'all another little, hold on, I'll twirl it in the back, little view. So I'm gonna just finish drying it, style it. Oh, and then my brows. It's like once I put on the L'Oreal High Color first or whatever, then I put, like after I put on that and then I put on the bleach, it's like it brought it out. I don't know. Need to figure the science behind that, but yeah, it's cute. I like it. So in the next scene, you'll see me out in the sun, whatever, so you can really see it. I'll be outside. And I'll just put this in like a little style. And so yeah, it's really cute. Hey girl. Hey. So just trying to show you how much you can see it. I like it. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Bye. Definitely a lot of sun out here, so as you can see, here is the results. Yes, and here's some brows. I love it. And if I really like want it to be blondish, well, more blonde, I would have to bleach it again. Like I was saying, I'm gonna keep it like this for a while. I actually like this than the red. In the future, I'll probably dye it red. Y'all, so much sun out here, but just give y'all another glimpse. So yeah, this was a long process. I thought my hair wouldn't dye all that. Just had to lift up anyway. Thank y'all for watching. Peace, and later. Yeah.